Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very quick and simple recipe for air fried chicken tenders. Now this recipe is very versatile because you can fry them on the stove, or you can bake them in your oven, or you can put them in your air fryer. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Now this recipe is going to be a collaboration with Dinesh over at Wild Tamarind Sauce. I just want to thank him for sending me one of his new sauces that he has. Now, if you guys remembered in one of my previous videos, I had reviewed his spicy tamarind sauce and I had made pylori to go with that. But in today's video, he has a new sauce out and you guys need to order this one. This one is his cranberry pineapple sauce. And as you guys can see, he has this awesome packaging as usual, nice brown paper. The bottle is packaged well, and I really liked his new logo and all of the decoration on this package. Now, if you guys want to know where you can go purchase this sauce, this cranberry pineapple sauce, I will leave all of his information in the description box down below, and I'll leave his social media in the description box below as well. Just click right below the video, you'll see all of it, and you can contact him to purchase your cranberry pineapple sauce or your tamarind sauce if you wish to purchase some. So we're starting off with some chicken breast that I've sliced up into small pieces in the shape of chicken tenders. I washed them really well, and I also patted them dry so this way there's not too much excess moisture. At this point, we're going to season them really well with any of your favorite seasonings. I'm going on with some salt as well as some black pepper. I'm also going on with some garlic powder. If you wanted to use freshly ground garlic, you could use that as well. I'm also going in with some onion powder, as well as some Old Bay seasoning and some paprika, as well as some parsley flakes. You can also use green seasoning or fresh parsley if you wish. And I'm also going on with some crushed pimento peppers just for some added flavor. And I'm gonna douse these down with some hot pepper sauce. You can use crushed hot peppers or pepper sauce, whatever brand you like, but I really like my chicken tenders to be nice and spicy. That is why I'm adding so much on. And at this point, you are going to give it a mix and mix everything really well. We're not even gonna let these marinate at all, and we're going to start cooking right away. So once you finish seasoning all of your chicken, you're going to start to prepare the breading that you're going to put all over the chicken before you put them in your air fryer or in your deep fryer. So what I have here is I have 3 little bowls, and I'm going to be putting in some flour into one of them. This is just regular all-purpose flour. I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper and mix it up really well. And then in another bowl, I'm going to add in some plain breadcrumbs and again season that with a little bit of salt and pepper. Mix that up, and then in another bowl, I'm going to put in 2 eggs. You can do 2 to 3 eggs, and I'm going to season it with salt and pepper, whisk those up really well, and then we will be ready with all of our different breadings and we can start breading the chicken. Now, once you finish preparing all of your different breadings, you're going to start coating the chicken. So you're going to want to start by placing your chicken pieces into the flour and dusting it very lightly in that flour. You're going to shake off the excess flour and you're going to transfer it into the egg mixture. And once you've dunked the chicken in the egg mixture, you're going to transfer it into the breadcrumbs, and you're going to pat it down really well until the chicken is fully coated with the breadcrumbs and all the other breadings. At that point, you're going to place it onto your pan that you have sprayed really well with some cooking spray, or you can just put the parchment paper down. Remember, the spraying is going to make sure that the chicken does not dry up and it stays nice and moist. I'm going to continue breading all of my chicken pieces until I've breaded them all, and at that point I will show you guys what to do next. So I have all of my chicken pieces breaded already. As you guys can see, I got a really good amount of chicken tenders from this recipe. All I'm going to do now is spray them really well with some cooking spray. I'm using avocado oil spray. You can use any type of spray that you wish. And I'm going to pop them into my air fryer at 400 degrees in my oven for only about 12 to 13 minutes, or until my chicken is crispy and brown all over. And after exactly 13 minutes of my chicken tenders cooking in my air fryer, I am happy with the results. As you guys can see, they look super crispy on the outside, they're nice and golden brown, and they are going to taste absolutely delicious. So all I'm doing is I'm transferring them on a plate, and I'm going to start to pour my sauce into that little container. As you guys can see, it is the cranberry pineapple sauce that Dinesh made over at Wild Tamarind Sauce, and I cannot wait for you guys to go ahead and try it. All you have to do is place your order and you can try it yourself. Alright everyone, so as you saw, the chicken tenders are all done. Now, even though I air fried them, they are super crispy, and there was no need for all of that extra oil and that messy frying on the stove. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try with Dinesh's cranberry pineapple sauce, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I think. So I'm just gonna grab one of these, and dip it in that sauce. So I don't know if you guys could hear that crunch, but these chicken tenders are very, very crunchy. All of the seasonings that I put on it, they're coming through, especially that pepper sauce. Trust me, whenever you guys are seasoning any type of chicken or meat, put some pepper sauce on it and you're really gonna enjoy that taste. Now, as for this sauce, I love the flavor of it. It's nice and tangy, it's sweet, it has a little bit of a kick to it. So if you're into spicy, sour, and sweet things, then you're definitely gonna wanna give this sauce a try. So again, guys, I'll have all of Dinesh's information in the description box below. He does tamarind sauce and he does the cranberry pineapple sauce, and I'm sure very soon he's gonna be unloading more amazing flavors. So if you guys enjoyed this recipe today, please don't forget to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Come on over and join the Matthew's Guyanese Cooking family and drop those comments down below and let me know what you guys would like to see next on my channel. I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye everyone.